Hello everyone, and welcome back to HealthTech Explorers. And today we will talk about data visualization. We have already explored different types of data and learned how to describe them using averages and measures of variation. But numbers alone often don't tell us much. To really see the bigger picture, researchers use data visualization. Visualization is not only about analysis, it's also about communication. The right chart or graph can help deliver results even to those who are not deeply involved in statistics. For example, colleagues from other departments working on the project, physicians making data-driven decisions, managers or executives who need clear key insights rather than complex formulas, investors or grant committees when presenting a project, or at conferences and seminars, where visual presentation captures attention and keeps the audience engaged. Visualization turns raw numbers into a story. It helps us show not only what we found in our analysis, but also why it matters. Let's look at some common types of visualizations. Histograms, bars of different heights showing how data points are distributed. For example, in medicine, they can reveal the age distribution of patients in a clinical trial. Scatterplots, dots on a plane showing how two variables relate to each other. In healthcare, they can be used to explore the relationship between blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Box plots or box and whisker plot. A box with lines extending outwards showing the median, variability, and outliers. For example, they are useful to compare recovery times between different treatment groups. Line charts, points connected by lines, excellent for showing changes over time. In medicine, this could illustrate how a patient's glucose levels change over several weeks of therapy. Pie charts, a circle divided into slices that represent proportions. For example, they can clearly show the percentage of patients with different diagnoses in a hospital ward. In the end, choosing the right visualization is not about making slides look pretty. It's about making data understandable, actionable, and persuasive. Whether you're sharing results with your colleagues, presenting findings at a medical conference, or explaining outcomes to stakeholders. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.